When it comes to bike safety, a loud and reliable bell is essential. Whether you're riding in the city, on bike paths, or on quiet streets, having a bell helps alert pedestrians and other cyclists to your presence. In this video, we'll go over the top 7 best bike bells for 2024, each offering unique features to enhance your biking experience. Number 1. Accmor Classic Bike Bell. Loud, clear sound for all ages. The Accmor Classic Bike Bell is known for its clean, loud ring, making it perfect for riders of all ages. Its timeless design features a durable metal construction, ensuring it can withstand regular use without losing its sound quality. The bell is compact and lightweight, meaning it won't add extra weight to your handlebars, while its polished finish gives it a sleek, stylish look that complements any bike. In terms of sound quality, the Accmor bell produces a loud and clear ring that can be heard from a distance. This makes it ideal for busy city streets or shared bike paths, where you need to alert others quickly. Installing this bell is a breeze. Its adjustable band ensures a snug fit on various handlebar sizes, from kids' bikes to adult cruisers. Durability is a key feature of this bell. Its corrosion-resistant metal ensures that it can withstand the elements, providing reliable performance even in rain or high humidity. For a simple yet highly effective solution to bike safety, the Accmor Classic Bike Bell delivers on all fronts.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Schwinn Classic Black Bike Bell. Easy install and loud ring. The Schwinn Classic Black Bike Bell offers a sleek and simple design that blends seamlessly with any bike style. Made from high-quality materials, this bell is built to last and provides a sharp, loud ring that's easy to hear in busy environments. Its compact size makes it unobtrusive on your handlebars, while the black finish gives it a classic, understated look. Installation is straightforward, with a flexible clamp that fits most standard handlebars. This means you won't need any special tools to attach it to your bike, making it a convenient option for both novice and experienced cyclists. Once installed, the bell is easy to use, with a smooth thumb lever that produces a satisfying, loud ring. The Schwinn Classic Bell is known for its durability, thanks to its rust-resistant materials. It can endure regular outdoor use, standing up to rain, dust, and other weather conditions without losing its sound quality. With its reliable ring and ease of use, this bell is an excellent choice for those who want. Number 3. Classic Aluminum Bike Bell. Crisp sound for kids and adults. The Classic Aluminum Bike Bell offers a bright and crisp ring, making it ideal for both kids and adults. Its lightweight aluminum construction ensures that it won't weigh down your bike, yet it's sturdy enough to handle daily use. The design is simple but effective, with a shiny finish that adds a touch of style to any bike, whether it's a child's first bicycle or an adult's commuter bike. This bell stands out for its sharp, high-pitched sound, which cuts through ambient noise to make sure others hear you coming. Whether you're riding on a busy street or a quiet neighborhood, the sound travels well, giving you the confidence that pedestrians and other riders will be aware of your presence. The classic ringer mechanism is easy to use, even for smaller hands, making it a great choice for family biking adventures. In terms of durability, the aluminum body is rust-resistant and can handle exposure to the elements, ensuring it lasts for years. Its adjustable mounting system makes it compatible with a variety of handlebar sizes, Number 4. Bike Bell with Crisp Sound. Ideal for kids and adults. The Bike Bell with Crisp Sound is designed for both kids and adults, making it a versatile addition to any bike. Its compact design doesn't take up much space on the handlebars, yet it delivers a loud, clear sound that can easily be heard by pedestrians and other cyclists. The bell's sleek design is available in multiple colors, allowing you to match it to your bike's aesthetic. The sound quality is a major selling point of this bell. Its crisp, high-pitched ring cuts through background noise, ensuring that you can alert others to your presence even in busier environments. This makes it particularly useful in urban areas where you need a bell that can stand out against traffic noise and chatter. Installation is quick and easy with a simple attachment mechanism that fits most handlebars. The bell's construction is durable, made from a mix of plastic and metal components that can withstand regular use and the occasional bump or scrape. Its design and sound make it a practical and stylish option. Number 5. NEKRASH Duck Bike Bell, LED light and cute handlebar horn. The NEKRASH Duck Bike Bell is a fun and unique option, especially for kids or riders looking to add a bit of personality to their bike. Shaped like a cute yellow duck, this bell doubles as both a horn and a safety light, offering multifunctionality in a playful design. The rubber duck body is soft but durable, capable of withstanding bumps and scrapes while remaining securely attached to the handlebars. This bell isn't just about looks. It also features an integrated LED light, which can be set to flash or stay on continuously, adding an extra layer of visibility during evening or low-light rides. The horn itself produces a high-pitched squeak, loud enough to alert pedestrians or other cyclists without being overly harsh. Usability is simple, with a strap that easily attaches the bell to most handlebars. Kids will especially love the novelty of having a duck that lights up and quacks on their bike, but the safety features make it a practical choice for all ages. With its cute design, LED lighting, and effective sound, the NEKRASH Duck Bike Bell. Number 6. Kids Bike Bell with Streamers, Cute Pinwheel Accessory. For younger riders, the Kids Bike Bell with Streamers offers both functionality and style. This bell features a cute pinwheel design, adding a fun visual element to any child's bike. The colorful streamers attached to the handlebars flutter in the wind, making this a delightful accessory that stands out during rides. The bell itself produces a clear, loud sound, helping to keep your little cyclists safe while riding through parks or neighborhoods. It's easy for kids to use, with a simple thumb mechanism that triggers the bell with minimal effort. The pinwheel design spins as you ride, adding an extra touch of whimsy that will make any bike ride more fun. In terms of quality, the bell is made from durable plastic, ensuring it can handle the bumps and scrapes of everyday riding. The streamers are also made from sturdy material, so they won't fray easily. With its combination of safety and style, this bell is a great way to encourage kids to use their bike bell. Number 7. Bike Bell 2-Pack. Loud Melodious Mini Bells for all bikes. The Bike Bell 2-Pack offers excellent value for those looking to outfit multiple bikes or keep a spare bell on hand. Each bell in the set is compact yet powerful, producing a loud and melodious ring that is perfect for alerting others to your presence. Whether you're riding through busy streets or quiet trails, these bells ensure that you'll be heard clearly. Made from high-quality metal, these bells are designed for durability, capable of withstanding the rigors of daily use. Their small size makes them unobtrusive on the handlebars, but don't let their compact design fool you. The sound they produce is clear and effective. These bells are compatible with a wide range of bikes, from kids' bicycles to adult road and mountain bikes. Installation is straightforward, with adjustable mounts that fit securely on most handlebar sizes. Whether you need a bell for your primary bike or want to equip a second bike with a reliable safety accessory, the Bike Bell 2-Pack provides great functionality at an affordable price. It's a simple. That wraps up our look at the top 7 best bike bells for safety in 2024. Whether you're looking for a classic bell with a loud ring or something more playful like the NEKRASH Duck Bell, each of these products offers unique features to enhance your safety while riding. Be sure to choose the one that fits your style and